us up lately?
Alright, so we back out here. We're about to go to a car meet. And then this break, bro, it's fucking cold. Holy shit. Like, my nippies is hard. Oh, gee. Anyway, yeah, we going to a car meet. Finish your car up. Finish your car up.
Hello?
And
Where you at? The car wash?
Sparkles?
Yeah?
Alright, be there 5 minutes, bye.
Yeah, okay. See you in 15. Bye, Mary.
yeah, my fault, yo. We going to this car meet. She about to wash her car. We gonna wait for some friends. And we about to hang out. Just chill, vibe out for the day. Look, this is a Kylie wash.
Fuck off.
See how she be doing
He
it?
has been riding my dick.
See how she
all
be doing
day
this
long.
shit? Look.
All day long.
She been whipping her shit like a straight N-word. A straight N-word. Like, she be like this. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, see what I'm saying? A Kylie wash.
You're hurting my feelings. And
You're hurting Vanessa's feelings, not mine or
You're
yours.
hurting mine.
You're hurting her feelings.
You're not
This
listening to
girl.
me. Your communication right now, you're not listening to me. We need to have good communication right now.
Help me.
That's what her clutch be saying.
Help me.
Yeah, get me a new one. Find me a new one.
Fuck out of here. I'm not funding this car no more. I'm funding my shit only.
Yours is mine and mine is
No, I don't even get to drive your car. Fuck that.
I don't get to drive your car.
Ever since we swapped this shit, ever since me and Joey swapped this car, I've been off limits of this car.
You drove it like 2 or 3 times.
I drove this shit
How many times have I driven it?
twice. I drove the car
How many
twice.
times have I drove your car?
You wasn't ready for my shit. Now that you have more experience behind
You're
this,
not ready for my shit.
you hear her, my nigga. She said I'm not ready for her car. Yo, Vanessa not ready for you. How about that? Alright, I'm gonna see y'all in a second. I'm gonna hit y'all when Mary gets here.
My guy. Ah.
What's good, yo?
What's up? What's up? Oh shit.
You look tired.
Goody, bro. Yeah, man.
Tired.
Always running around and shit, bro.
Felt it. Say what up to the vlog, son.
Yo, what's up? What's up? We outside. You feel me?
Oh, geez. I was trying to be extra bright today. Man, that's my son.
You vlogging the whole shit, right? Yeah. It's lit. See, you're gonna have YouTubers in this video.
I'm not working no more, so that's what I'm doing.
You're doing
Vlogging.
something, right?
Gotta do something. Gotta keep busy.
Oh my god, this shit sounds so good.
Oh, you never seen it, right?
Huh?
You never seen it in person.
No, I haven't. This is my first time. This shit is, oh my god. One is clean, and now this shit got a cage. That's it.
Where look at the color on this damn car. This shit is like, look in the sun. The sun make this shit look crazy. Like, my God. Should look blue. The homie's car too. Shit, dope as hell. This shit is like, look in the sun. The sun make this shit look crazy. Like, what the fuck? Like, what in the fuckery? My God. Should look blue. Should look fucking. This should look black as shit. Should look nice. This the homie's car too. Shit, dope as hell. Clean ass M2. Got the carbon mirrors. Look at that shit. Beep. Shit, nice as hell too. Yeah, we about to leave soon. About to, after she's done cleaning her car. Look at these rims, bro. Shit bad. Yeah, we about to leave soon.
Wait, why you ain't
Dip out.
nothing? You just
Hey, damn, I didn't catch it on the video. I didn't catch it on the video. You did it too fast.
Want to catch it?
Hey, okay, okay. Say what up to the vlog. Say what up to the vlog. You know?
He got a cup holder and I got none.
He got a 1 cup holder.
I ain't got no cup holder.
Shit sound good, bro. Woo, that shit, yo. You ain't even let me drive in this shit after you got it tuned. How does it feel though? It feels a lot better.
Can we do it again?
Yeah, do it for love. This way. Just go down and come this way. So we. Oh, just back up. No one's coming. Yo, he gonna do a little pull for the vlog. You gotta do a little pull. He be driving. He could drive. I gotta see this shit. He gonna launch it. Oh, this guy, man. That shit's so retarded. Oh shit.
Christ.
Yo, what's that air car sound stupid,
I'm
yo.
telling you, Hondas all day, baby.
Oh man, that shit sound good.
What's this thing? I know. I think I have it.
Yo! Hey! Hold on. Yo! Do a roll with him. Slow down! Slow down a little bit.
Third gear?
Whatever. Jump in right here. You'll make it. She'll make it too. Just give her some space.
Yeah.
She'll jump in.
Nah.
And that's untuned.
That's
versus
moving.
Tuned.
That's moving.
And that's her driving it.
That's moving.
Yo, Joey's gonna be proud.
OD.
Joey's gonna be proud, bro.
OD. I'm gonna tell Joey like, yeah.
Yo, that shit moving. You like it was only like a car.
That's right there.
Yo.
She be let off when she went to the
Yo, that's crazy, bro.
Yeah, these cakes off.
And yo, that's a doo-doo clutch versus a good clutch. Oh my god. What's going on, Brody? This is yours?
Not well. It's my dad's car.
Oh, okay.
He's walking around.
Nah, this thing is crazy. Oh my lord. Was it Corvette motor?
Was that?
Corvette motor?
Yeah. Well, LS3. Yeah, same as a Corvette.
What'd you make?
It's it's natural. It hasn't been on the dyno yet, so they say that they're like 450.
Okay. That's nice. What body? What shell is this?
Race car replica. It's a super light.
So it's like an Ultima. Similar to it.
Well, it's based off of a race chassis.
Yeah.
And then they just made the car street legal.
Yeah. This thing is crazy. And it's inspected. Crazy.
Yeah, it's like
Crazy.
with the interior.
Bro, this shit is dumb looking.
Probably about LS3 is about that.
Batteries, I can put.
Oh no, you good.
I'm trying to do it right. I'm gonna stop right there.
Then there's a cop over there. Oh my god, we gotta.
Nah,
She said nah.
I live out here. I work right there. So nobody's behind me. Alright. Ready?
Go ahead. I'm gonna feel this shit. Nah, that's it. They give me a fucking mic. Give me a fucking mic. Yo, guys, this shit is lit. This is lit. Oh my god. Yo, Brian gotta put this on. Yo.
I think I burnt my tire up.
Huh? You did burn it up. Oh, you didn't hear
Yeah,
it?
but I think it's okay. It's still safe to drive.
Yo. Yeah.
I didn't even know how to do that when I did that.
Sis, that was...
That shit almost hit my damn hand. About to go to the creek. I mean, we about to have a good time. And then go home, chill, relax. It's a nice day. It's Father's Day. Catch y'all when we get to the homie's house. Alright, so we about to head home. It was a good day. We had a good time. And we about to drive home, get home safe.